Hello, my name is Pedro Burns and welcome to Chile. So, welcome to Chile. We are here starting our video project. We are all really exciting and we're going to put some love on that to make a nice video.
I'm Rob, I'm directing. We've got Pedro riding.
Pedro.
And we've got Gabriel on the drones.
We got
And then this guy.
Juan from Chile.
Turn the camera around and see who's doing the behind the scenes.
Hi, I'm James, doing the behind the scenes.
There you go.
The man behind the scenes.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
feeling good. It's early in the morning. It's not too cold. We are here really high in the mountains. So yeah, exciting. I want to ride and want to have fun on the bike.
It's so quiet up here. There doesn't even have any wind. You'd expect there'd be so much wind out in a place like this, but it's pretty still.
The most with camera I have ever seen. Hello, my name is Pedro Burns. Welcome to Chile. That's it?
That's it.
Great.
Yo, yo.
he's going to get a workout for sure this whole week.
Hello, my name is Pedro Burns and welcome to Chile.
I love how he just threw it away on that one. I made a Pedro Burns. Welcome to Chile. Whoa!
Action.
I think what would be cool is to see if we can find like a route between the rocks through there.
Yeah, probably. We can have a look.
I was lucky I had my bag closed.
Almost lost it.
Yeah.
Boom.
What's it like working with Rob?
Um,
Not too hard?
no, it's not hard. He's really easy. He take it easy. I feel like we are improvising. We are just trying to catch some nice sections, do some good shots. It's good. We're having fun.
Yeah, we're just getting a long, continuous GoPro and drone shot from the top to the bottom of this lovely ridgeline. I guess it's pretty soft up there and he dug in a bit hard and went over the bars.
We are in Valparaiso. We spend the morning looking some different spots to film. I think it's very cool. We have a lot of contrast with so it's going to be good. Yeah, and the toboggan looks good.
To ride?
Yeah,
Like it is, or you think?
I think like it is. If doesn't happen, don't put this on the.
They're painted like a, oh, maybe they painted them over. They used to be painted like a piano.
Oh yeah.
They're still?
Yeah, still the piano. Maybe we can, in the sound of the speed, I roll this and sound.
I like it. Let's do that.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Had very, very light rain and mist all day, so we've had to work around that and avoid the cobbles when we have to.
Again. Okay, one more.
Yes.
Behind the scenes.
Alright. This is where it's at. We're just driving along, saw the staircase from below, drove up to the top, tried to find the entrance to it, and this is beautiful, like totally different to the other staircases we've seen. It's got grass and plants and flowers on either side, and it's a bit rough and different. And then someone's built a wall around it. So we're going to try and clean it up and see if Pedro can hit it. Is he going already?
Yeah.
Jesus.
What's it like working with Pedro?
It's good. He's young. He's keen to push up, and he likes to redo stuff when he knows he can do it better, which is always good. Tomas Slavik's in town shooting some stuff, so let's see. Let's try and meet up with him. He's the downtown expert. Maybe you can give Pedro some tips.
Nothing to worry about.
Hola, Saga.
We have tourists to worry about, waiting for gaps when there's no one here, but as the day goes on it gets busier and busier, especially now that it's sunny.
It would be fun if we can meet.
Connecting some section and then disconnect again.
Yeah, like for example, ride the long stairs together.
Yeah.
And we can get a shot with the drone.
Yeah.
So
And the long stairs are kind of really iconic. Like it really looks. Yeah. It's having a lot of history in there. Yeah, keep the same speed as now, and I will go like try to go like really like touching. I'll go slower to Santiago. Yeah. I'll see you anyway tomorrow in Nevado, right? Yeah. We're going tomorrow. Yeah.
I'll come down from the top of the town down to the bottom of the city here. Just trying to get a transition shot to bring us to the next location in Chilean. So I'm trying to find a tree to ride past.
end of cheating in Valpariso has been really 2 successful days, so we are all really happy. Tomorrow morning we are going to travel to Chilean. So Chilean is waiting for us. Don't film it.
I thought we talked about getting a clean jersey for this.
I decided to use my brand new kit top, but then I did the maintenance on the bike and it's not clean anymore. So I'm sorry, Rob. You will like the video anyway. So we are on the climbing on the way to Valle Nevado trails. So that means beautiful valley, and the riding is awesome. It's one of my favorites.
Well, let's see how the camera survives the dust. Need like a vacuum cleaner right here that sucks the dust away from the lens.
Oh! Having fun. Getting the cameras dirty. Sorry.
Oh, it's good, it's perfect. I kicked up a little dust before you came as well, so there's a bit of dust in here. Got some dust that time.
La morenita.
Didn't want to have to change lens, but had to get out the 7200 to do this transition shot from the city to the mountain. All we need is a sideways speed blur that'll match the one we shot where he goes behind a tree, and then we'll hopefully match up the 2 shots. Just try and just ride straight right there, and then you can pump. Oh, that's why I'm covered in ants. I'm standing on that stick. I was like, why am I getting so many ants? You had a pretty good year last year. Do you have any goals this year?
I want to have better results, of course.
Always.
Always. But yeah, would like to be top 15.
Is that pretty hard to be top 15 now?
Yeah. So good.
You good?
Yeah.
Last shot of the day.
This is it, the sunset shot where you have 5 minutes to get the exact shot you want. And since it's such a long hike to get the speed he needs for this bit, we have kind of one shot at this. And that sun is going to disappear behind that mountain pretty soon. Vamos, Pedro! He's good now.
The sun gone and the video ends.